You can use standard keyboard controls to quickly modify text and add symbols. I'll select a text note. When I do, the text and text box are highlighted. I can click the text again to place the cursor at the beginning of the text note. At this point, I could click anywhere in the note to place my cursor at that location. Inside a text note, standard keyboard controls apply. For example, you can use the arrow keys to move the cursor, as well as use Shift arrow to select letters, Shift Control arrow to select entire words at a time, and of course, you can press Enter to create a new line. You can even use other common control keys plus letter keystrokes, such as Control U to underline, Control B for bold, Control A for select all, and so on. You can also use Alt plus number keystrokes to add common symbols to your text. Some common examples are Alt 0176 to add the degree symbol, Alt 0216 to add the diameter symbol, and Alt 0177 to add the plus-minus sign. To understand where these keystrokes come from, let's open the Character Map dialog. From the Start menu, if the character map is not already showing in your list of recently used programs, a quick way to find it is to start typing Character Map in the search field. Once it appears, you can select it from the list of programs. In the Character Map dialog, you can select one of the characters in order to see its keystroke. For example, I'll select the plus-minus sign. When I do, you can see in the bottom right of the dialog that the keystroke is indeed Alt plus 0177. You could use Alt plus the last three numbers in the keystroke to add the symbol in text fields. However, you must use all four numbers when adding symbols to parameters in the Properties palette, like when adding text to a value. So it's good practice to always use the entire keystroke. You may want to write down the keystrokes you use the most and tape it to your monitor. Then you can quickly reference your note when you need to add a symbol. Another method is to select a character in the Character Map dialog, click Copy, and then use Ctrl-V to paste the symbol in the text note inside of Revit.